Hello everyone. So this is Daily Development here, and this is the Python tutorial playlist. Today we're going to be installing everything we need to program on Python and running our first Python project. So without further ado, let's jump right in. The first thing that we need is we need to go to this link right here, python.org downloads. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. So make sure to go to this link, and here we see this download Python 3.9.2. At least this was recorded in March of 2021, and this is the latest Python version. So we're gonna just press that. Now, once it's downloaded, we want to hit this Python, and what we see here at the bottom is add Python 3.9.2 path, right? We want to check this, and now you just want to press the install now. You're going to agree to everything. You agree to the terms and services. You're going to hit next until you install it. I'm not going to install it right now because I already have Python installed. So now congrats, you have Python installed, but we still need to install an IDE. This is going to be a workplace where we're actually going to be coding the Python. So I'm going to cancel this. There are actually a lot of IDEs you can use. My favorite one would be PyCharm. So I'm going to again leave this link in the description, and as you see, there are two versions. There's a professional, which you actually have to pay for, and there's free. So currently, because we're beginners, we don't need this extra functionality that professional PyCharm gives. Community would be enough. So for that reason, just go to community and hit download. Now, as you see, the download will instantly start, and once it's done, we're going to install it. So once the installation is done, you're going to press this. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes? Hit yes. So after you see this welcome to PyCharm community, you're just going to hit next. Again, just hit next, agree to the terms and service, and then start installing. And once it's done, finish it. Okay, so I'm going to cancel it because I already have PyCharm installed on my computer, and I don't need to reinstall it. So congratulations, now you've downloaded Python and you've downloaded PyCharm. So now we're actually ready to run our first Python app. So you open the PyCharm. So when you go to PyCharm, you're not going to see all these projects because you just downloaded PyCharm. You're new, but you should see a button that says new project. Now when you press that, you can call project. Let's just do like example project is what I'm gonna call it. Then I'm just gonna hit next, or I'm gonna hit create. So after you created this project, you should see this page. And what we first gonna do is hit Control A, which is just select everything, and then delete backspace. And the first thing that we want to run is hello world. So let's do print. And then after print, you have to open brackets, and then you have to open quotes. This is important. And then here you can type whatever you want. Let's just do hello world. And first thing that you can do is you can either press here to run it, or if for some reason it's not working, you can right click and then you can hit press run here. So now as you see, it printed hello world. You can print whatever you want. You can, let's say add exclamation mark and then again run, or there's even a shortcut Control Shift F10. So you can just do Control Shift F10 and it's going to update, right? So everything you type inside of it is going to be printed here. So this was our first tutorial. We've downloaded and installed PyCharm and Python, and we ran our first project. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please put thumbs up and subscribe. And see you next time.